Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn the Beethoven Symphony No. 5, fourth movement. Before we start, we need to pay attention to the key signature. It's in C major and the time signature is in 4/4. But traditionally, this is being conducted in 2. We're going to start with a slower tempo at 60 per half note. So basically it means 2 clicks per measure. And starts with double stops. We want to use the lower half of the bow. Okay, ready? Now we will try to play at the marked speed, which is 84. Ready?